There is a wonderful saying which I like very much. Clarity of perception, accuracy of response. When you have clarity of perception, when you see clearly, you can respond accurately. Now here Jesus is telling them the same thing. They're not seeing properly. How are they seeing? They are seeing from ego what will be profitable for them. The gift, that is important, not the altar. So you see, they are not very clear about what they really should want. So that is why Jesus is correcting them. He's saying, you all are blind and you are leading people astray. And today we have begun the reading from 1 Thessalonians. Paul went to them and he was very happy with them because they accepted the message of God. And he's telling them, you must do as God's Spirit has led you to come to follow the same way of Jesus in your life. My dear sisters and brothers, it took a long time for Augustine to get focused, to see clearly. He was following his own path because he was very clever. He was known to be one of the most intelligent person of his time in a way. And he came from North Africa, Tagaste, and from Hippo. So he was following a path which was doing whatever, it was called Manichaean philosophy. And then later on, he began to teach rhetoric and he went to Rome. His mother was all the time telling him, you are not doing the right thing. You should be a Catholic. You should follow the right way. He was not listening to her. He was just escaping from her. So also her husband. He was not a Christian. And he was very angry man, rude, treating her very badly. But she kept on praying. In few years' time, 18 years' time, he was converted. He became a good Catholic and Christian. And soon after that, he died. And then she continued to pray for her son. He just escaped and went to Rome. She followed him there. From there, he went to Milan. And there, he had an experience. He met the great Bishop of Milan, Saint Ambrose. And when he met him, he saw with what clarity he showed him the truth which set him free. And from then onwards, he began to follow the Christian way. And his mother was so happy. And she had told St. Ambrose to please help her son. And so when he became a convert, he got baptized, she was very happy. And when they were coming back to Africa, she died in his arms. And he said, what a wonderful mother. For so many years, I did not listen to her. But now I know what a wonderful mother she was, because God's grace flowed through her sacrifices for me to be able to see clearly and to respond accurately. And he became a great teacher of philosophy, theology, started a monastic life by which, he and his disciples took to very serious praying the whole time and also serving the people. He was made bishop. And as a bishop, he brought in a lot of reform and direction. And then when he died, he had really done something very wonderful. He had written about his own life and about the city of God and city of man. 2 books which are very, very important. Let us ask God to help us also to see clearly so that we can respond accurately. Let us hold our hands like this, close our eyes. God is with us all the time. He's telling us things, but we're not attuned to Him. And when we listen to His word, when we listen to others, let us keep it in Him so that His Spirit will clarify the truth, which will make us see clearly, and with Him in us, we will begin to respond most accurately. Lord, give us this grace and keep us always in your protection.